As I dip into the crystal clear waters, a feeling of home made its way through my body, as it always does when I feel the ocean on my skin. Without any warning, I spotted them for the first time on the water, and words are never going to be meaningful enough to describe the literal magic that took place after that. Wild spinner dolphins, hundreds of them, gliding through their safe haven, the reef. Is this a dream? I pinch myself just to make sure. These creatures surrounding me, too otherworldly, too magical to be real. Bodies streamlined to perfection, twirling with agility around me. It hits me, tears of joy filling my mask. We begin to get acquainted in a dance of curiosity. Our eyes linked, just like our souls. Spirits that couldn't be less alike, yet interconnected somehow, at this very moment. We begin to see each other, our minds starting to understand each other. We're feeling the same vastness of a power that is beyond what our cautious minds can grasp. Savoring one final playful encounter before we each continue with our own flow. We met as strangers, but parted as friends, joined for just a moment in time, though eternal in union. In this never-fading memory.